Just a heads up, we've updated the test data a bit. Click on the link in the lesson description and place the file in your data folder again. Alright, let's add some more details to the property page. But before we do, I wanted to give you some insight on the way I work. I'm a big fan of functional first programming. To me, this means getting the data and functionality on the screen first and make it pretty later. Let's start by showing all the images of this home. Create a div above your title with the style of display flex. Inside that div, create an image tag and use a v-forward to loop through the home images. Since image is a string of the full unique path to an image, let's use that as the key. Normally, this would be a good spot to put an alt tag. Alt tags are HTML attributes made for describing what an image is. It's great for SEO and accessibility. To keep this course focused, we'll be omitting things like alt tags, but feel free to add them in as we go. Next, let's set the image source to the image string and set the width to 200 and the height to 150. This is just to make it easier to see. And let's save. And let's take a look. Looks good. Under the title, add the price per night. Next, just like the home card we made, let's add an address, city, and state. Only this time, let's include the country too. Under this, add the review value. Now let's add the guests, bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms. And save. Let's take a look. Still looking good. Now, so far we've only been using external images, but what about local files you want to use within your own code? For this, Nux has a special folder called static. Anything you put in it will be automatically served from the root of your website. It's great for things like favicons, robot.txt files, and images. Let's check it out. Create a folder called static in the root of your project. Under that, create another folder called images. Now inside this, copy over the marker and star.svg files from this lesson's description. To the left of our location info, create a new image tag using marker.svg. Let's give it a height and width of 20 for now. Next to our review value, add another image using star.svg with the same dimensions. Finally, let's update this page's title to be our home title. Create a head method that returns an object. Next, add a title property with the value of the home title. And save. Let's take a look. Great, everything shows up. It may not look like it now, but you've laid the foundation for what will be a great page. Now that we have two basic pages, let's see how we can link them together.